Use this today. Simple input. Now bank, sneaker store, booking app have that design. You probably think this idea won because it was the best, but it never won. It was a demo. That design is now the benchmark for the whole industry. So the way you get things done now was decided by a small team in a hurry few years ago. They created a design to collect feedback on their new product, not to make a web chatbot plugin or something like that. Everything started in November 22. Sam Altman posts a basic tweet with a link. No campaign, no launch video, nothing special. Even inside OpenAI they call it a research preview because model had been in the API for almost a year, so everything was old except the interface. Nick Turley, head of ChatGPT, said it took 10 days to design this. That input wasn't a crazy research thing. That was a typical MVP. Even the name came night before. It was going to be Chat with GPT 3.5. Now look at the first screen. Examples, capabilities, limitations, 9 boxes telling you what and how to type. They added it to help people how to use it. Then users learn, so they delayed them. Every year the screen gets emptier. Today it's input and 3 hints. And don't get me wrong, I think that look of ChatGPT is perfect for what it does. So the design that everyone copy, empty input, makes sense when the product do everything, like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini. But companies which copy that only do few things, and that's a huge problem, because an empty field tells nothing. That's why we left command line interfaces in the 80s for the human-friendly systems that we know. The work moved to. A filters know every option and show it to you. A chat makes you guess the option. To understand this better, let's go shopping with a chatbot. In this case, I want orange shoes. With filters, those 2 clicks. With chatbot, you see what I mean. The complexity did not disappear. It grew and moved onto the user. There is one more thing. A form can stop you before making an error. A chat always answers, even when the answer is impossible to do. So instead of spending seconds, you burning minutes. OpenAI, Google, Anthropic already know this. They are making small changes all the time. Model pickers, tools, apps inside the chat. They know that without those changes the product would be too complicated. Which is why in those tools we have more and more things that are not just a text, but visualizations and things like that. So as you can see, that design is not the future. Typing is fine, but reading a wall of text is not. And as soon as companies copying that design on their website understand the limitation of chatbots, the better. Thanks for watching, click a like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.